Asani Beauty here. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, I will be doing a review of the organic Konjac exfoliating sponges. These are some facial washing and exfoliating sponges. They are made with bamboo charcoal and they are perfect for cleansing, daily cleansing of oily combination or normal skin. It says on here that the sponge will purify and exfoliate to stimulate natural blood flow and encourage skin rejuvenation. The bamboo charcoal activates carbon to deeply cleanse and absorb excess sebum and grim to prevent blemishes and breakouts. And it's made using the fiber of the root of a konjac plant, and it's naturally rich in essential minerals and vitamins and amino acids. So that's the information from the back of the package, but you can actually purchase these on Amazon, and these are some charcoal sponges. They are hard right now, but if you soak them in warm water, they will turn into a squishy sponge. The first thing you want to do is take the wet sponge and rub in circular motions in your face to create blood flow and also to exfoliate. And then after that, you can add your face wash to it. I have a video here if you'll see where I've added the face wash to it and done my face wash routine. I've been using the sponges for about a week, and I'm actually working on a little blemish that I have here, and it's fading away quickly. You can't really see it because I have my makeup on, but I am very satisfied with the product here. It says here to replace every 2 months. I'll definitely be doing an order in the next 2 months. But if you are someone who has oily or combination skin, and also if you're trying to safely remove blemishes or breakouts, this may be the product for you. I actually like the product because of how it absorbs the face wash, and it turns into, and I don't have to use a lot of my face wash products, so I actually like that a lot. I also like that the carbon is pulling out toxins from my skin and helping to prevent blemishes, so I'm definitely happy with the product. I'll definitely be ordering again. Those were my thoughts on the Konjac sponges. Like I said, if you would like to purchase, I do have the Amazon affiliate link here below for you to purchase. And that was it for me. This is Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. Baby, baby, baby.